Hello everyone, and welcome to our first Edpuzzle lesson. Today we will be exploring exponents. Remember, if you see a pencil logo, that means to write the things down in your notebook. And when you see the puzzle logo, that means to answer the question on Edpuzzle. But remember to show your work in the notebook. This is our focused learning target for today. Given an exponential expression, I will be able to understand what it is and how to evaluate it. So what is an exponent? Think of exponents as repeated multiplication of the same number. Remember, if you need more time to write in your notebook, you can pause the video anytime. So if we have b to the n power, we multiply b for n times. That might be confusing, so let's break it down. First, this entire thing is called an exponent. An exponent has a base and it has a power. The power tells us how many times we need to repeat the multiplication. Let's look at an example. We have 3 to the power of 2. The base is 3. The power is 2. Again, the base is 3 and the power is 2. How do we read this exponent? 3 to the power of 2. Let's look at another example. 10 to the power of 5. The base is 10. What do you think the power is? So the power is 5. The base is 10 and the power is 5. Again, how do we read this? 10 to the power of 5. For this example, you will be answering the question on Edpuzzle. What is the base? What is the power? Now let's look at evaluating exponents. Our first example is 2 to the power of 3. So 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times. Again, we repeat the multiplication 3 times. And what does this equal? This equals 8. Let's look at another example. What is 5 to the power of 2? 5 times 5, because we are repeating it 2 times. And 5 times 5 equals 25. Now on Edpuzzle, please answer this question. What is 4 to the power of 3? Now let's look at rewriting as exponents. So we use exponents for both numbers and variables. Numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 4. And variables are letters like X or Y. So for our first example, let's rewrite 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 as an exponent. So we're repeating the multiplication 4 times. So our base is 2 and our power is 4. In your computer, you would type it like this: 2 with the caret sign and then 4. For our second example, let's rewrite a times a times a as an exponent. Remember, a is a variable. It repeats 3 times, so we have a to the power of 3. So on Edpuzzle, please rewrite the following expression as an exponent. So today, you learned what an exponent is, how to evaluate exponents, and rewriting expressions as exponents. And that's the end. Great job on finishing your first Edpuzzle assignment.